You got the same fucking European teeth that I do. Look at that.
You can't judge just by the teeth.
Look at this. Look at us. Look at us. You got white people in China?
I'm not white. I'm Chinese.
And say like your ancestry test is 100% Chinese, bro.
It depends on how you define Chinese. It's a diverse country, just like America.
We're not gonna act like y'all are a diverse country. That is kind of crazy.
It is. Just search it
I
up.
don't buy it.
Just search it up.
What am I looking up?
You just search Uyghurs. Are Uyghurs Chinese?
I believe that you were born in China, bro.
Just study the history of China. We are Chinese. It's just we are the different ethnicities.
Bro, you said it's a diverse country and y'all have an 8% diversity.
We have different ethnicities. It's not like America, we have different races.
You were Chinese,
Yeah.
alright?
Yeah.
Everyone that has the same background and may appear white to me is Chinese. And we're just gonna put that as a fact right now.
Yeah.
I 100% will believe it. If we were to break it down to race, you only have 8% other races.
You need to know that the majority's population is way much. It's billions. So that makes the
Yeah.
minority's population even less compared to the majority. But it is diverse. You can just say that based on the numbers.
Diverse in the rest of the world means races.
That works different in China. We talk about the ethnicities. We don't talk about races.
But we could say the same thing about Africa, how diverse it is depending on how many races. At the end of the day, y'all aren't diverse. Like, compared to the rest of the world, you are not
No,
diverse.
you can't
I
do
know
that
y'all have-
comparison. Because we talk about ethnicities here. We all belong to the one race, which is the Chinese. It's called in Chinese 中华民族. But deeply, we are
Are you-
divided into different ethnicities. Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Let me ask you a question. Does
Yeah,
Chinese,
that's what
this
we mean.
word, refer to the majority ethnicity in China? Okay.
Everybody that's from China.
So I'm Chinese, 100%.
100%, yeah.